Since I carried out the range test of the signal put out and received by the DJI RC Pro compared with the RC or the RM330, a lot of you have contacted me and said that that is way below what you should be getting with the RC Pro, and you may have a faulty controller. So before I contact DJI or send this one back, I thought I'd come back out on a different day, at a different time of day, to a different location and try again and fly out over rural area where there's no interference and just see if I get any further this time, or if I get the same distance before the signal goes, then I'll have to contact DJI. If the answer is that, well, that's about the most you can expect, not sure if I will want to keep this remote control, because the other benefits it has are the 7 extra customizable buttons and the HDMI out, plus the 1080p screen recording. I'm not sure if that's worth an extra £600, to be honest with you. So let's see how far we get today at this different location. So a very different result from the test that I carried out previously, showing you, or at least leaving me to conclude, that the signal strength isn't determined solely by the controller you're using or the drone that you're flying, but it also depends on the conditions, where you are, what the weather's like, atmospheric conditions, the sun, a variety of different things, a whole mishmash of things that mean that you're never going to get a consistent signal strength every single time you fly. It's going to be very variable. As far as the RC Pro control goes, after that flight, I'm absolutely happy and satisfied that this has got a signal strength that will provide everything I need. I'll never be flying out as far as that. I only did it this time to test, to see if the RC Pro was a damaged one, was not working properly, and it looks like everything's fine there. So I'm happy with this, and I hope you now agree with me that these range tests and signal tests, they're like rolling dice. It all depends on a whole number of things. If this gave you a wee bit of education, a wee bit of entertainment, give us a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, it's not going to cost you anything to click that subscribe button. It'll help the channel if you do. Thanks very much. I'll see you next time.